I'm Prajna of class 6C AFS Begumpet. This is my English MDP project. The topic is food and nature. This is a comic that I have written by my own. Once upon a time, there lived two kids, Pinky and Pinku. Their parents always told do not eat junk food a lot because they loved eating junk food, snacks, etc. One day, as they were eating their junk foods, a pizza monster came inside and said, I am going to eat all of you, dear junk food lovers. Ha ha ha. So yummy. But this thought, oh God, please save us. The carrot superhero came flying from the sky. I'm here to save you from the pizza monster. Please save us, they said. The carrot superhero told about himself. I am rich in vitamin A, C and calcium. I'm good for your skin, eyes and support your and help in weight loss and support your gut health. Everyone started eating carrots and carrot superhero gained strength. The pizza monster weakened. He thought, oh no, I'm getting weakened. There was a fight. The carrot superhero defeated the pizza monster. Kick, ouch, boom, pop, ah. All must eat healthy food. The pizza monster got scared. He thought, now I must flee from here. And he fled. The carrot superhero said, all must eat healthy food. The whole family lived happily ever after, eating healthy foods every day. This is a poem on nature which I have written by my own. On a beautiful summer sunny day, I met a bunny. He was very funny. He showed me the flowers blooming. Cheerful and happy they were, renewing the forest with an enchantment. The high and mighty trees, so high they stand, for they are the keys for the life to ease. The river so calm, peaceful and cooling on my palm, moving swiftly like horses. Where are your energy sources? Nature, oh nature, you are our future. K. Prajna. Thank you.